Looking for the best plastic shower hose on the market?
Well, look no further because today, we're diving into the OFFO shower hose, a premium RV PVC handheld shower head hose that's making waves in the world of bathing accessories.
Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the OFFO shower hose, and let me tell you, it's not your average bathroom accessory. Crafted with precision and designed for convenience, the OFFO shower hose boasts a range of features that set it apart from the competition. First off, let's talk about durability. Made with high-quality PVC outer and inner tubes, this hose is built to last. Say goodbye to leaks, knots, and tangles. The OFFO shower hose is here to make your bathing experience hassle-free. Thanks to its anti-winding design, you can say goodbye to frustrating tangles and knots. The sprinkler connection rotates freely, making installation and use a breeze. But durability isn't the only thing this hose has going for it. Its simple and elegant design adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom. Plus, it's easy to clean and won't fall apart after just a few uses. And let's talk versatility. With multiple sizes to choose from, ranging from 1.2 meters to 5 meters, the OFFO shower hose isn't just for bathing. It's perfect for refilling fish tanks, cleaning baby diapers, flushing potty chairs, pet bathing, and more. And as if all that wasn't enough, OFFO stands behind their product with top-notch customer service. If you're not satisfied for any reason, they've got you covered. So there you have it, folks. The OFFO shower hose, the best plastic shower hose on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy bathing!